Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to discuss about logical operators. So here we are having two Boolean variables, x and y, and x equals true and y equals false. We would like to perform some logical operators, including and, or, and not. So before going to review them, I would like to give you a little bit of background and then we discuss the details. So when we are having two variables, the first variable is true and the second variable is true as well. So what would be the output? When the first one is true and the second one is true, therefore the output is true when we are having the AND logical operator. Then when we are having true and false, what would be the output? So when we are having one true and one false, the output is false because we are having the AND operator. In the AND operator, both of them must be true to have a true output. Then we are having the false again and true. So the output is again false because if we want to have a true output, we must have two truths. Then false and false, definitely the output is false. So we can understand that when we are working with the AND logical operator, in order to have the true in the output, we must have both of the conditions to be true before the AND operator and after the AND operator. If both of them are true, the output is true. But if we are having at least one false, the output is definitely false when we are working with the AND operator. Okay. Later on, when we discuss, for example, the for loops, the if conditions, etc., we're going to understand this more in more depth, but for the moment we need to learn the basics. Now, if I want to work with the OR operator, what about that? So true or false, what would be the output now? So when we are having true or false, because at least one of the conditions is true or one of the variables is true, the output is true. Okay, because we are saying either this one or the other one. If we are having true or true, the output is definitely true. If we have false or true, the output is again true because we at least need to have one true to have a true output. Finally, when we have false or false, the output is going to be false. So after understanding the OR operator, we see that in order to have a true output, we need to have at least one true. So one true here, and two truths here. So we have a true output. But if we are having two falses, we are going to definitely have a false output. With this background, let me illustrate the example. Now I have the logical operations here. And if you remember, we had two Boolean variables, x equals true and y equals false. Now, I would like to have the x and y being printed in the output. So I print this message, logical operators here, and then this line, x and y, x equals true, y equals false. First of all, I'm going to perform the logical operator. So x and y. I would like to see the output of x and y. Okay, so x and two and symbol, let's say the and operator, and then the variable y. So looking at the output, we see that this resulted in false as we anticipated here. So when we are having one true and one false, the output is definitely false. And you see that the false is there because when we are having the AND operator, if we want to have a true output, we must have two variables or two conditions. Both of them must be true. Okay. Now, how about the logical OR operator? So x or y, this one is true, this one is false. So because we are having at least one true, it means that the output will be true. Okay, so this is true in the output. And if we want to see the reverse of a logical operator, for example, x, simply we can have this mark before the name of the variable. So exclamation mark and then the name of the variable x. So x was originally equal to true, But now that I have this exclamation mark before the name of the variable, we're going to have false in the output. So in this video, we learned about the AND operator here. We learned about the OR operator here. And then we had examples here how to perform logical operators. Thank you for watching.